Hey everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. We do have a pop mystery this week and I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get into them. We will start on the top. All of these will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. So the first thing here we have is 3 new character stickers. We have 101, 102, and 103. That means that these will be on a new character listing. So this is Snow White. We also have Tiana, which is 102, and then we also have Merida or Brave, which is 103. So stinking cute. The next thing we have is a new scribbler for this week, which is Sunburned. I feel like this also could be used if you're like overheated outside. So stinking cute. Kind of has like a little frown. Show you close. Perfect for when you get sunburned or you're just overheated from being outside, which is me a lot of the time here in the good old Texas. Then we have the next color of the week, which I wanted to show you a comparison to last week's color of the week so you can see the difference, but I just wanted more nudes. I mentioned last week. Last week's was more of a brown and a deeper color. This is a light nude. So on the like taupier neutral side, but this is number 84. Like I said, I was flipping through my colors of the week and I thought I was missing a lot more kind of like neutrals, browns, nudes, things of that sort. So I figured let's get some of those done, especially in time for the fall spreads. There is the normal 13 sheets, which do come a la carte, but also can be purchased as a bundle. And then we also do have the scribblers in the normal 6 options. That's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And those can be purchased a la carte. Then we have a reformat this week, and this one's so pretty. I was going through all of the like Halloween art from past that's not in shop because it was like old format, and I thought this was a perfect one to reformat, and I did redo the boxes a bit, and it's Sabrina, which I think is a perfect witchy kit for the spooky season. Lots of foils would look so pretty with this, like burgundy, red, sparkly red, black, sparkly black. Ooh, matte bronze would be pretty with this. There's so many options, but let me give you a little close-up of the boxes. I did reformat the boxes on this one. I think it's so pretty. And I also did add a black sparkle throughout. I think this color wasn't included. It was just a black, and I figured this kind of brightens it a little bit. And then it has the black faux sparkle throughout. I think that is a cool touch. You have the full boxes here with the books and another outfit, the patterns, the labels, and then the bottom washi, which is just so fun and spooky. And then the tall box in the ultimate and the mini is the tall box of Sabrina herself. So stinking cute. Love this one. There is also, of course, the mini kit as well. Perfect in time for spooky season. And then the add-on options, there is ombre if you want to add that on. There is label 2, which is the black. There is functional doodle, and then there is also fashion options if you want to add those on as well. The next kit here is a exclusive new art, and I'm so excited about it. It's gorgeous, it's perfect, it's everything, and I cannot wait to use it. And it is Tattoo Studio, and I am so obsessed with this. It's art by Darcy. It's exclusive, so you won't find it anywhere else. And I'm obsessed. There's no other way to say it, but it's just so stinking good. This is maybe one of my favorite boxes ever. I think it's so cute. Obsessed. And the foil, I forgot to say there's a foil bundle this week. I think the foil bundle, I picked this one out because I thought it would go really well with this. It's the, it's confetti, but I don't really know what color to call it. We'll go through it after this kit, but there's also going to be in the punk underlays, the same color punk, and I think that'd be really cute to pull in. It's kind of like an olivey black. We'll have to like look at it with a flashlight in a minute, but yeah, this is just gorgeous, 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 and I am obsessed with it. I don't think it could have came out any better. I love the colors of it. I love the vibes, the papers. So the tattoo shop, it says Tattoo Studio, we're so glad you're here. Welcome, open. There's a little SPC on top. I love the like details on the side. I thought that was super cute as well. I love this paper here. The bottom washi, it's just so stinking good. And then the freebie and the ultimate, the mini, is the skin tone options for this box here as well. So that is Tattoo Studio, and I'm obsessed. I feel like color wise for foil, I really like this one that's like coming out this week that I haven't came up with a name for, but I also feel like rose would be really pretty with this. Hollow, lavender hollows. This I think it would be good with silver or gold. I think pretty much any foil color actually would go really nicely with this kit, which is nice. So you kind of have lots and lots and lots of options. Also comes in a mini kit, and then add-on options. You do have ombre, you have label 2, which is a gray color. You have functional, doodle, and then you have 2 different fashion options. This one has a tall box. This is fashion 2, and then this is fashion 1. And I love the shirt with the SPC on it. It's so adorable. I love the split hair up here, and I am just obsessed, and I cannot wait to use this kit. I just think it's beautiful and gorgeous, and I am obsessed. So we have that one. And then last but not, let's go into the foil bundle. We're going all over the place with this week's video. That's just the way I go. So this is in Confetti version 2. Kirsten wrote olive. I don't really know what color it is. I personally think it looks kind of gunmetal-y. So I'm not sure. Let me know what you think. Let me put like a silver. Do I have something silver? Yeah, here. That's silver. This is definitely more, I think it's more gunmetal if I had to put a name to it. Let me know what you think. Trying to think, like, here's some more green type things. I think it definitely has like a green, but I think it's the mixture of the like red and the green like holly bits in it. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I think it looks kind of gunmetal-y, but also I don't know if you can see. You see kind of like it has like a little bit of a red-green shift in it of sorts. It's a little hard. There you go. But I think it's just mostly gunmetal. So let me know what you think. This is the confetti bundle. We're going to go backwards. No, we're not. It's the 6 full boxes and the glitter header overlays, the bougie boxes, the icons and scripts, as well as the bottom washi fancy headers, deco, and date numbers. So this will be available from special pricing on Wednesday through Sunday. So we will have a name for it. And then there also will be in the punk underlay listing, these underlays. So I think is this the only underlay, or maybe they also came in black? I'm not sure, but there'll be a listing for these, so you can pick these up a la carte if you want to use it. And I think it would look really cute with this. And then I also think that this color, I mentioned last week that the color would look really good with Haunted. I still think that this would be a really pretty combo as well. So those will be available Wednesday as well. We also have a pop mystery, and this one is super, super fun. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. If you don't want to see it, skip ahead 30 seconds starting now. Okay, I think we gave them enough time. Are you ready? I'm going to just give a little quick. And that's all you get. All you get. And I'm so excited. It'll be perfect for the new movie coming out. It is obviously based on the older movie, but I think it's so fun. I think it'll be really fun with rainbow foil. But yeah, that'll be available Wednesday through Sunday. If you want to get your hands on it, it is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And then last but not least, these sold out so fast, so I wanted to do a restock of them. It is the mini kit grab bags, and these, I think that are they Misfits? I don't remember. It'll say, yeah, they are, because they have the foil with them. So these are Misfits. I think this one's technically an overstock TBH, but we advertise them as Misfits, and this is a example of what you could be getting. This is just one of many that have been made. So this one here has a mini kit of Flavor Town, a mini kit of Summer Vacay, a mini kit of Strange, and then this one has a mini kit of November 2021 Mystery. And that is just an example. It can include mystery, it can include holidays, can include literally anything that we've had in shop. These are all the format that has glitter headers in them. So they are perfect to, perfect to stock up your stash, and it's fun for a mystery and especially on a discount. Who doesn't like that? So since those sold out so fast last time, I wanted to add some more stock. So if you didn't get your hands on it, you have the chance to do so now. So that is everything for this week. Again, we have the 2 kits, the mini kit bundle, as well as the pop mystery. We also have the new scribblers, the new characters, and the color of the week. And the pop mystery will be available Wednesday through Sunday, as well as the special pricing on the foil bundle. And I think that's everything, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.